So today I'm gonna cook one of my favorite comfort food dishes, Okonomiyaki. I think this is a perfect example that goes aligned with the planetary health diet. Comfort food, seasonal, local, and tasty. Hello everyone, I am Frida Ronge, a Swedish chef living in Stockholm. My philosophy is to work with seasonal local ingredients, but adding flavors and techniques from Japan. You can use different kinds of toppings. I have chosen chanterelles because that is in season right now. Food that inspires me is actually based by the season, when asparagus is coming during the spring or when the fresh mackerel arrives. I love to feel that I'm waiting for something. So today's okonomiyaki is based with the egg and plant-based milk pancake batter, the whole grain flour, some salt, with this beautiful cabbage. I've been running a restaurant in Gothenburg called Vrå, where we focused on Nordic sushi. Actually, it's a lot of common between Nordic countries and Japan because they also needs to work by season. We are getting ready with the mushrooms. Oh my god, the smell is so nice. And now it's time for the pancake. So when you see that the pancakes, it's getting more dry on top, it's almost time to turn it around. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. This pancake on the plate. The topping I have chosen today, it's an okonomiyaki sauce, mayonnaise that I have flavored up with some bonito, scallion, chanterelle, and I'm finishing it off with some thin nori and bonito flakes. Okay, finally I'm going to taste this delicious dish. Oh my god. It's so fresh, but it also fills you up. It's gonna be one of your keepers as well. Definitely try it. Good luck.